Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you the best arm exercises you can do with resistance bands.
For these exercises, you will need a good set of resistance bands that includes a door anchor. If you don't have a set already, check out the link below for this Fit to Fly set.
Using resistance bands challenges our muscles by forcing us to use more control. This allows more muscle fiber activation, in other words, more results.
With these bands, we have increasing resistance force as the band gets longer, which is typically at the peak of the movement.
Resistance bands are great for your fitness goals, whether you're trying to build muscle or get toned. Enough said, find yourself a door, grab your resistance bands, and let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try these exercises out and let us know which one was your favorite down in the comments below.
If you would like a chance to win this exclusive FitZFly resistant band set, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to automatically be drawn in.
The winner will be announced in the next week's video.
Until then, stay strong.